welcome back to Scott and Wandas.
Well, hello everybody.
And what was that?
Dunno.
Madhouse rules again.
There's always something going on.
And brand new crisps. Well, not brand new. They've been out a couple of weeks, but
They've just been extremely hard to
just
get
hard to hold
hold
of, I
of.
know.
They've been a nightmare, haven't they?
yeah, I know our friend Dave's had them, the Blue Van Man.
I've been excited about having these because I love this food.
So there's two sets of flavours. Walker's Max.
Yeah.
You've got one pack.
I've got one pack.
I've got and they're KFC's. I've got the double crunch KFC Zinger.
Yeah. And I've got the Max KFC flavour, just KFC. And I've been very excited about trying these because I love KFC.
Yeah. So how they're going to get KFC flavourings into a crisp?
Yeah.
I have my doubts. Obviously,
Well, it's going to be a bit of chicken flavour, I reckon, because of chicken.
obviously with the KFC, they've got their their 14 herbs and spices.
11
11.
herbs.
They might have 3 more. Who knows?
No. Well, it should say on here.
But
KFC chicken seasoning.
Okay.
So it's not going to tell you. Nah,
But
it's a secret.
The thing that really swung it for Wanda
Yeah.
is with each bag, you get a free KFC meal for one.
Yeah, so it's going to be worth it. It's Saturday this weekend. We are having KFC.
We are having
Buy
KFC.
one, get one free.
So which one are we opening first, Wanda? You can open these ones. Go for the normal
Normal
the normal ones. They're like $1.79 a bag or something. I picked them up in Sainsbury's.
But it's good because you get KFC
Yeah, free KFC meal.
meal.
And that's available until terms and conditions from the 4th of January 2021 to the 31st of July 2021. There's a fair old date on the deal, to be fair. Go on then, what they smell like?
They smell peppery, but very nice. They don't smell like a KFC though, but they do smell really good.
For me, they just smell like chicken crisps.
I don't know, it's got a peppery smell though.
Okay.
More than, because chicken flavour, you just get the chicken, but there is a peppery smell to it. It's more,
I get that.
there's more of a smell than just chicken.
Yeah, I get the
There's another thing.
I don't disagree with that. I think there's a bit of pepperiness to it.
Yeah, it doesn't smell like the normal roast chicken Walker's crisp.
Okay.
Put it that way.
Obviously, they're the crunchy.
You
They're
can smell
double
the
crunchy
chicken
ones,
in
the max
it.
flavours. Okay.
Right, anyway.
Go on in.
Oh, I can't wait.
Go on for the taste, Wanda. We've had them 3 days. I'm surprised you've lasted this long.
I might need to eat the rest of the bag to taste. They do taste like chicken flavoured crisp.
Right.
There is a bit of at the back, a bit of a peppery taste.
Go on, you can let me have one.
No?
Let's go down deeper. All the really good crisps are always at the bottom.
But they're really tasty.
Right. So I've gone to the bottom, I've picked out. So they haven't got the specks of I'm assuming they're specks of pepper.
They are really tasty. They have got a little bit of a hint that it's a KFC piece of chicken you're eating, just a little bit, but you wouldn't think it was KFC. I'd say it was a peppery chicken flavour.
Peppery, yeah. There's nice chicken flavour to it.
Yeah.
And
they're like roast chicken flavour Walker's crisp.
Quite
It's
salty.
that. I don't get saltiness, I get peppery. It's more peppery for me. Like, it's got lots of black pepper on it. So it's like peppery roast chicken flavour crisp.
they are really tasty.
They are really tasty.
If you were to give me them blindfolded,
You wouldn't know it was KFC, would you?
No.
I'd say they were a bit spicy if I was blindfolded eating them, because they've got a bit of the black pepper can be a bit spiky, can't it?
yeah. There is just like, for me, there's a nice chicken flavour.
Yeah. It's got a bit more than just chicken though, isn't it?
There is a little, it's quite
My tongue
salty,
is a bit tangy.
but it's like a salt and pepper taste to them as well. I quite like them,
They're quite nice.
but I wouldn't say they were
Like the KFC
KFC.
chicken. But they are nice.
And then on to the double crunch. Quite like double crunch from Max. And these are supposed to be KFC Zinger Flavour. Now I like a zinger.
Yeah.
You don't?
I don't, because I was well, someone gave me the wrong burger once.
Right. You don't like
I ordered
spicy
a
anyway, do
normal
you?
KFC burger, but when I got it home and ate it, it was definitely a zinger one because it burnt my mouth.
So, as my friend Chris the Butcher would do, here are the allergens. Soya milk! Milk! Okay.
Anyway.
Yeah. How much more of these?
Yeah, I bet you are.
Give them a shake, though. See, they've got a little bit more about them for me.
Let's have a look. Look, smell.
Still smell of chicken.
I can just smell the potato, Chris.
Okay.
I don't know, that smells more. That's got more of the smell.
There's a very definite peppery smell aroma
Yeah.
there.
My tongue is still
I'm
tingling
getting-
from that. Is your tongue tingling?
No.
Mine is.
Well, you did the one chip challenge last night, so
Well,
you're lucky
probably burnt
I'm
your
still
taste.
alive.
You've probably burnt all your taste for yourself, haven't they?
They smell nice. Nice bit of chicken. Now I've stuck my nose in it, they do have more of an aroma.
Yeah.
Right, let's go for I do like the double crunch. And the ridges.
They're a decent crisp, aren't they, the Max ones? Full of flavour.
Mm.
Are they spicy?
I
Is
like
it spicy?
Is it spicy?
It tastes like a Zinger burger.
Nice and crunchy.
Not as hot as the one chip challenge last
Not
night.
as hot as the one chip challenge.
Not gonna make you be ill.
There is a little bit of
Are you alright?
I'm alright.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna be sick again.
You're not gonna explain.
There is a little bit of spice to them. They're nice with chicken, nice and crunchy. You have got that little bit of spice that lingers on the tongue, leaves a tickle. Very nice.
Well, they're doing that to me on their own, but I think that's the pepper in it.
Go on then, Wanda. Have a zinger.
No, 'cause it's spicy.
They're not horrifically spicy. I wouldn't do that to you.
Yes, you would.
I would do that to you.
I'll take a bite.
Wasteful. They're more
It's like a tingly.
yeah, they're more KFC than for me than the normal.
The thing is, what do
fried
you always go for when you go for KFC? You always
Gravy.
get the spicy stuff.
I'll go for spicy
Always,
stuff. Yeah.
always spicy stuff. So that's probably why.
Yeah.
And you always go for that.
They're doing it more for me than the normal ones.
Yeah, because you like the
tingle.
spiciness.
Yeah, the spiciness.
Whereas I prefer these.
Yeah. Okay. So Wanda likes them better.
Yeah.
I like these better.
Yeah.
Let us know if you've had them.
Yeah.
Which ones you prefer? Go
Hot
on.
and spicy KFC. Oh, it's meant to be hot and spicy.
Yeah, big
It
bowl.
hasn't got that much
hot
of a
spicy.
spice to it.
There's a
right?
tingle. There's a
That's
tingle.
it.
That's it. It does
But
sit
it's
quite
bearable.
sits around on
It's
your
not like burning your face off, is it?
on your
like
lip.
one chip
No,
last night.
that fucking thing.
He went bright red.
I really like them. I prefer them to the other ones.
Okay, so we'll have a bag
Each.
Bag each.
If you can get hold of them, let us know what you think of them in the comments below.
I don't know, it was really hard for it. Took us 2 weeks to find these things.
We picked them up in Sainsbury's, so they are trickling in.
Yeah.
Let us know what you think of them. Thumbs up the video, thumbs down the video, we don't care. Subscribe to the channel, wherever it is. Find us on all the social media that comes after the video, because I still can't remember what it is.
To the max, to the max.
I wonder.
We'll see you very soon.